name's Haliza Ramadhaniah Pane, and I'm here want to present my midterm test ICT in language education. But first, let me set screen. Here I choose Quizizz as a tool for reading skill. Next, we go to first slide. Here we have learning objective and learning profile. The first is learning objective. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify the purpose, structure, and language feature of descriptive text and classify adjectives used in descriptive text based on sensory categories. It's mean like this texture, touch, the color, and others. Next is learning profile. Here I have B1 level junior high school student with grade 9 and the topic is descriptive text. Gamified future is Quizizz. Next is educational technology overview. I have 2 points. The first, educational technology has evolved from traditional tools like whiteboard or blackboard and others to modern digital platform like today is Quizizz, GameKit, Kahoot, and others to create interactive skill. The popular current trend is education technology is use the Quizizz, a game-based learning platform that support interactive quizzes with immediately feedback and competition. Student competition, it means that they have higher point to quick answer and the right answer. Next is theoretical foundation, constructivism. The learning building knowledge through active engagement and personal experience, and Quizizz support this by allowing students to question and answer the quiz, receive immediate feedback, and reflect on their understanding with the question. And the next, I have multimodal learning theory. Students learn better when content is delivered through multiple models such as text, video, audio, and picture. Quizizz enhance English reading by combining text and picture and interact element to support different learning style. Next is generation reveals. I have generation Z. The characteristic is teaching savvy, easily distract, prefer interaction and fast-paced learning, visual-oriented, and enjoy gamification experience. Why Quizizz fits? Because the first is easily distract. Second is enjoy gamification experience. So the Quizizz fits because Quizizz over game like Quizizz, instant feedback, engaging visual, and allow self-paced learning perfectly matching urgency the digital learning prevents. Next, we have tool description. I use Quizizz. The type is website, interactive quiz, gamification experience. The key feature is game-based quizzes to boost engagement. So the game is to support the learning environment. And the second is instant feedback for students. When they answer the question, they get the point immediately. When it's wrong or when it's right. Detailed performance response for the teacher. You can see here when I make the question, so it means easy to report as a teacher. And the next is support image and audio for richer question content. I can play here, but this is they have a audio. And the last is fun element like memes or music. When they answer the question, so they have the point is, and then meme that they right answer or the wrong answer. And the next we have simulation plan. I have step-by-step plan. First is teacher explain the topic like descriptive text and we have to read. Student launch the quiz game. We say the code and the student answer the question. We have 10 questions in Quizizz. And the next, after they answer, student reflect on the answer and ask question if needed. Task is teacher review result using Quizizz report or discuss common mistakes and show the question number 1, how much student right, how much student get wrong, so we can explain why they wrong, why they right, and so on. Have pedagogical justification. This enhance reading skills by providing interactive text-based question that helps students practice comprehension and fun, engaged way. And the next we have TPA framework. The first is technological. Quizizz integrate digital tools for reading practice. Next, pedagogical. It support active learning through gamification, questions and answer. Next, content. It delivery target reading text and question and answer in a fun way. And the last we have learning theories. The first is constructivism. Support this tool as student activity build understanding through feedback and self-reflection. Multimodal learning theory is applied through Quizizz. Use the text, visual, and audio to support different learning styles. Skill-specific tools classification. We have 3 tools. The first is Quizizz, and the type is gamification quiz tool. Learner level is A2 until B2. Used in ELT is reading quizzes with instant feedback and reflection. The second is Kahoot. We have type is gamification or tools same as Quizizz. And the learn level is A2 B1. And use is ELT is time reading question to improve their skill. And the last is we have looked. The type is gamification learning platform. Level is A2 until B1. And used in ELT is reading games with tools and the theme that they make. Personal reflection. From this project, I learned that Quizizz is a very effective tool for teaching reading because it makes fun, interactive, and student concerned. And I found constructivism to be the most useful theory because it supports active learning where the student build their own understanding through experience. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.